So much space! Wow, it's so comfortable in here. The seat feels good, so much head space. Mirrors are fine, my phone is connected. All I need is the car's online functions. But how do I activate them?
Daniel, did you get your ID.5 GTX yet?
Yes, I did. And I'm super happy. I would also like to use all online functions like lane level navigation, web radio, and all of the WeConnect ID app functions. I will need WeConnect for that, right? Can you help me set that up?
Sure, no problem. I can help you with that. But where you should try to begin is downloading the WeConnect ID app. You download it to your smartphone or tablet, and it's available in all of the stores. Log in with your email and create a password. Once you've done that, you'll have a confirmation email where you need to head to your inbox and click that link.
Done. Now what?
So now let's head back on over to the Volkswagen Connect ID app. For there, you're going to grant access for the app to store data. This is going to be associated with your Volkswagen ID. And once you've done that, you have to read and accept the terms of use and the declaration of data.
Done that too.
So now you want to connect the app to the car. If you hit the photo icon, you can take a picture of your vehicle identification number. You can find this on the outside of the windscreen. Once you've done this, the app will recognize the car. Now, once the app is connected to the car, you should see all of the car's services. You may have to finish up a few things, like completing your profile, selecting a country, and making a security PIN. Be sure to memorize it.
I thought of a number and saved it.
Now you just need to read the terms and conditions, confirm them, and then click Create Now for free. Once you've done this, you're going to have a new contract with Volkswagen AG. You're going to get a copy of this in your email.
The email just came in. Am I done now?
Almost. So you still have to connect this to the main user of your car. So head on over to Users inside your infotainment system, and then select Add Primary User. Log in on the bottom right, and then you should be presented with a QR code. Scan it with your WeConnect ID app. Once you've done that, you can accept it on your phone, and then you should just be able to grant access and connect it with your Volkswagen ID. And then you should be good to go.
All done. Thanks, Nicole. That wasn't hard at all.
Don't tell me you're going to do it on your own next time. No, but I'm always happy to help. Anytime, give me a call. Have a lot of fun with all of your new online networked features. There's over-the-air updates and a lot of good things to be had. So we'll talk to you again soon, Daniel. Bye.
Perfect. Bye.
Volkswagen.